am out here doing some gig work today, working for Walmart, delivering groceries. Come here to pick up at the store, and all the employees are outside goofing around, pretending they're playing Wii U Sports or something with watermelons. They need to stop and go get my groceries so I can deliver. But nope. Nope, there. And there we have the aftermath. Clean that watermelon up. Clean it. And then get back to work. Well, my day is done gig working. The stuff you've seen wasn't about what I was going to be doing in the video today. No, I had other plans. I just needed to hurry up and make a little bit of cash so I can get home and create the real video. I think it's time to start. Long day. It was a long, arduous day. I'm trying to expand my vocabulary a little bit. And what I have on my phone at the moment is helping me do that. Much like if I like to read a lot, how you can build up your vocabulary, you can also do it with a certain app on your phone. Now, if you go through my videos and let's say you start jumping through my playlist and looking at the view count of pretty much every video I've had up until a couple months ago, I was lucky to get 50 subscribers, or not subscribers, but views. Maybe I could break 100 periodically. I can get like 100 views. I'd be so excited. Yeah, 100 people checked out my videos. And that's where it fluctuated. It fluctuated below 100. And then sometimes I might get lucky and get above 100, but not much more. YouTube Shorts, I'm leaving that out. That doesn't count because YouTube Shorts is its own thing. It just does what it wants. You can get 50 views, you can get 10,000 views. You just never know how it's going to hit. But if you are more into creating long format videos, the longer, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, have cats pop in periodically behind you. That was a messed up shot. The thing I'm trying to say is I think I am going to try something new. I have been doing some tests, maybe my last 8 or 9 videos, and it's been pretty successful. It is kind of working. And so I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing to not get 100, to not get 90, to not get 25 views. And now I'm getting like sometimes 2,000 views, sometimes 1,000 views, sometimes 500 views, sometimes 400 views. Whatever the view count is, it's much better now than it was just a couple weeks ago before I was trying this out. So if I'm just going to give you some advice of what I'm doing and see if you guys want to try doing it to see if it helps your channel get the more views, it may. Let me just jump right into it so I'm not babbling all along. I don't want to have to put timestamps in because I still don't know how to do that. Anyway, so what I've been doing is if you go back, let's go back to my last 10 videos. You don't have to watch them, but just go back to them and look at the thumbnails. You'll realize they're not pictures I've taken and overlaid words on, or little graphics here and there. They're not actual photos. I've been using AI about the last 10 videos or so to create my images. I just tell ChatGPT, OpenAI, what my video was about. Can you create a thumbnail for me? Seconds later, boom, it's done. An incredible looking thumbnail, if I do say so myself, cat. So that's kind of what I've been doing. And if the thumbnail doesn't turn out the way I actually think in my head would work, I'll ask it to make another one. Why not? And so I've been changing my thumbnails to AI thumbnails. To me, they look like, man, if I was going through YouTube and I seen a thumbnail like that, I'd want to click it. And those are the types of thumbnails I'm creating now. Now, I don't know if that is helping all that much. Maybe it's helping with the clicks because people want to see what the video's about. They see a good looking thumbnail. It's possible. But that's not all I'm doing. I'm doing things like this. What's a video I created? Let's do, I did a video on the real Florida. I went to a Florida park with Steph stuck in a truck, and we found an alligator underneath a swamp walk, just chilling down by a lake over in Eustis, Florida. So I am going to tell AI if it can write a description for me on that video. Yeah, that's the video that comes to mind. I'll just have it do that. I got so many videos. So that's what we're going to do. Check out how easy this is. It will do a title and it will do a description. You could just copy and paste it into your videos. I've been doing that for maybe the last hour on videos that are like a year old to see if it brings those back to life too. You might want to try that. I don't know if it's going to work yet, but I'll let you guys know in a future video. Anyway, I have ChatGPT right here, the button. I just press it, open it up, and I turn it on. It's circling up.
Sure. Here's a more concise and engaging description.
No.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
Okay, I created a YouTube video a while back that I want to do a refresh of the description and title. Could you help me out?
Of course. Could you provide the current title and description of the video, as well as any specific details you'd like to highlight in the refresh? This will help me tailor it to your needs.
Okay, I created a video that is called The Real Florida, and it
Great. Can you provide a bit more detail about what the video covers? For example, what specific aspects of Florida are highlighted? Are there any unique features, locations, or experiences that you want to emphasize in the refresh title and description? This will help me create the best possible update for you.
I went to a little park in Eustis, Florida that is kind of swampy, kind of foresty. They have lots of nature trails and hiking trails. There's a big lake, lots of alligators, a center that has stuffed animals, taxidermy stuff, and a lot of Florida history in the museums.
Thanks for the details. Here's a refreshed title and description for your video. Title: Discover the Real Florida, Exploring Eustis's Hidden Gem. Description: Join us as we explore a hidden gem in Eustis, Florida, showcasing the true beauty of the Sunshine State. This little park offers a unique blend of swampy and forested landscapes, with numerous nature trails and hiking paths. Discover the vibrant wildlife, including alligators by the Big Lake, and visit the center filled with fascinating taxidermy exhibits. Dive into Florida's rich history through the park's museums. Don't miss this adventure into the real Florida. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more authentic Florida experiences. How does that sound?
That sounds terrific. I thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you liked it. If you need help with anything else, feel free to ask. Enjoy.
Okay, that's enough. But anyway, so if you can see here, it is all written out in text. So we have the title, Exploring Eustis, hidden, it says, Discover the Real Florida, Exploring Eustis, Hidden Gem. Has that, so you can copy that and put it in your title. It uses a lot of keywords too. So you're always looking for the proper keywords, and especially in the description. And then you got this, and you can just copy, hold, and then you can copy, and then you take it over to your video and paste it. So I'm doing that with a lot of my older videos to see if I could bring that back to life. But see, here's my newest thumbnail I had it make. I went to an alligator park in Florida, so I just switched. When I went to the alligator park, I had an old photo that I used when I went there. I just swapped it out and created a whole new Florida alligator park thumbnail. So I'm going to see if that's more clickable. It's from like a year ago. but you can have it do so much. So any of you guys out there that don't have AI right now, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Oh, that's the only one you get. You don't get the other ones that say powered by ChatGPT. Get the ChatGPT that says by OpenAI. It will have a thumbnail that is white. You can see right here, it's white with that weird circle thing. The white one is ChatGPT. They do come in other colors, but it's usually different companies using ChatGPT. This version is free, but you can pay and it opens up a lot more features. But it's definitely worth getting. Go to the Play Store or on the app. Well, not on the Play Store because that's Google. Google uses Genesis, which is a different AI that is very similar. This is on an iOS device, and it works amazing. I've never had anything like it before, and I'm hoping it really helps up our YouTube game. I mean, it can't hurt. We struggle to learn keywords. SEO is incredibly difficult to master. I've been doing YouTube now for years. I still don't know SEO. You know what? Let's ask if I can get some help with SEO. Hello, I am YouTubing. I have a YouTube channel, and I'm struggling to learn SEO. When I create my videos and ask you for information for help in the description and titles, can you help me with my SEO skills?
Sure, let's optimize it for SEO. Here's the updated title and description. Title, Discover the Real Florida Hidden Gem in Eustis with Nature Trails and Alligators. Description. Join us as we explore a hidden gem in Eustis, Florida, showcasing the true beauty of the Sunshine State. This picturesque park features swampy and forested landscapes, numerous nature trails, and hiking paths. Discover vibrant wildlife.
I'm going to stop. I did not ask it for the SEO at first. That was amazing. It changed everything and created the SEO. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Try it out. See if it works for you. It's been slowly working for me, and I'm trying to get better at it. You just got to know how to ask it things. Like that last thing, now I know. Ask for the description to be SEO as it creates the description, and it will put everything together for you. Then you just copy and paste. Anyway, until the next time, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys from down the road. Well, probably here at the same campground, but still down the road. Peace, everybody.